How to replace the coolant temperature sensor on a 2001 Toyota Highlander V6 cylinder. Now the only tools you need is a T30 and a 19mm socket. Now I've already taken my engine bay cover off, but you'll have a couple bolts that is there that you want to remove to get this cover piece off. If you don't know what I am talking about, this part here, got a bolt there, and there that you want to take off. These will not come out all the way, I don't think so you don't really have to worry about losing them, but just make sure yours don't come out at all. And after you do that, get those three loose, all you gotta do is lift up onto it, take it right off the engine. Now to find out where your thermostat sensor is on the V6, follow this top radiator hose. And it's going to be right at the tip of it. So as you're looking, it's going to be this little fella here that you want to go and remove. That's a T19, not T19, 19mm that you want to take off and just get it out. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. Go and start it in by hand. So you do not cross thread it. You will leak out some radiator fluid. No big deal, it will burn off in the future. So get it in there by hand all the way. Then you want to take your socket and snug it up. After you get it tightened down all the way, don't forget to connect the connector for it. Push it in all the way until you hear a click. Just like so. Then go and start it up, let it run, check the coolant temperature reading, make sure once when it's been running for a while, make sure the needle is between cold and hot. That means it's working. And make sure after it's running that it does not leak anymore. So if you want, you can wipe it down around it and let it run for a while and see if it is a tight seal. If it's leaking, then you might want to put some thread sealer on there so it does not leak. So that's just a little quick video on how to replace the thermostat sensor, temperature sensor on a 2001 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching.